The Z36 Smartwatch is the latest Series 7, or should I say Series 8 Apple Watch clone, and even though Apple refused to embrace the flat design this year, you can still have a feel of the much expected flat sides design with this new $30 smartwatch. It comes in this elegant box packaging showing all the available color options, and at the back are the key specifications with the new wireless charging technology at the center of attraction. Inside the elegant looking box, you are greeted with the major accessories like the user manual, the 44mm detachable soft silicone straps, the new wireless charging with longer cable, and finally the smartwatch in a plastic bag. This is the captivating navy blue color, just like with the new iPhone 13 series. And yes, the flat size design looks absolutely amazing. It can even stand on its sides. That's all we have in the box. One of the attractive features of the Z36 smartwatch is its large 1.7 inches display with smaller bezels and high definition colors. You will enjoy looking at this HD display, and I love how smooth the UI feels when scrolling. It also got the split screen menu shortcuts, which gives quick access to these apps, but sadly you can't edit or change to your favorite apps. It has only 6 watch faces, and even though they all look cool, this is my favorite because it is animated and it shows vital information at a glance. You also have lots of other watch faces to choose, or you could choose to use your favorite picture as custom watch face through the RD Fit app. It has only 2 menu styles to select from, and I like this new block app style because it is refreshing when scrolling. Swiping down from the home screen gives you quick access to the power saving mode, Bluetooth toggle, DND mode, touch light, menu style. You can flip to mute both incoming calls and alarms. You can also shake your wrist to answer calls, which is cool. Finally, the raise or turn to wake gesture has been improved. You can now lower or return the wrist to sleep or turn off display immediately. This is nice, and the sensitivity level is okay. There are other special features like the drink water app, which notifies you every hour to drink water, which is good for the health. The weather app gives you up to 5 days forecast, which comes in handy when traveling. You can also activate and speak to Siri or Google Assistant through the voice assistant app in the smartwatch. For those of you who are very security conscious, you can choose to lock the smartwatch with a password to give you that extra layer of security. The Lost Alert app notifies you when the Bluetooth connection is lost so that you can quickly get back within the Bluetooth range to receive notifications. Although the Bluetooth range is not actually that long because of the lower Bluetooth 4.0 version support, but it still has a reasonable range of 5 meters. Speaking about notifications, swiping up shows the notification panel. Social media app notifications are timely with a funky sound alert and produces a soft and gentle vibration that feels good. Thanks to the notification bright switch, you can save some battery life by keeping the display off during a notification alert. Bluetooth calling notifications works as expected, and you can make a call by tapping the digital crown in home screen to bring out the call dialer. The call quality is okay, except for some underground noise in the background. Both parties can hear themselves loud and clear, but the speaker sound is a little muffled. You can also control your music playback and volume through the watch, but I wish the music app user interface was better and colorful. Here's a music sound test.
I'm not a writer. Okay.
Thanks to the larger 64MB memory, it can store up to 400 contacts in the phone book app, which also means you can access longer lists of call logs, phone messages, and accommodate more text characters. Also, thanks to the larger 64MB RAM size, scrolling and navigating is quite fast and smooth. Like most Apple Watch series clones in the market, the health-based sensors are not working, which means the heart rate monitor, blood pressure monitor, blood oxygen level monitor, body temperature monitor, and ECG monitor are all not giving reliable results. The only results you can rely on are the sleep tracker, steps counter, and calorie counter. There are only 6 sports mode, and I love how it gives multiple unique information for different aspects of an exercise with an accuracy level of about 70 to 80%, which is good, except for the heart rate info underneath, which I already said is not accurate. Again, thanks to the large 64MB storage, you can readily view long lists of heart rates, sleep, and steps counter historical data right on the smartwatch. The RD Fit app is well designed and structured to give access to your health and sports data history. You can initiate a sporting activity through the app, but from my tests, you are better off using the more reliable results in the smartwatch only for your sport activities, and you even save battery life in return. The RD Fit app also gives access to remote photo capture with the smartwatch as the shooter, and you also have the Find My Watch feature, which also works with the Find My Phone feature in the smartwatch. The Z36 Smartwatch has an average battery size of 200 mAh that takes about 1 hour 20 minutes to fully charge, which is quite fast. The wireless charging dock is a very good, durable and convenient way to charge the smartwatch. The magnets are quite strong enough, which makes it easy to position the watch without stress. As common with most Apple Watch clones, battery life is not that good, but it is okay. I was getting about 3 to 12 hours battery time depending on the screen brightness level, with lots of screen activities and Bluetooth connection. But if you only want to use the smartwatch in power saving mode with minimal screen activity, basically for checking the time, date, tracking your steps and calories in the sports mode without Bluetooth connection, then the battery can last you about a day. Standby time is over 5 days. Other features include the alarm settings, the customizable sedentary reminder, calculator, stopwatch, and calendar. Let me know what you think about the Z36 smartwatch. I expected more functions, but it's still a nice smartwatch for $30. Kindly like this video, share this video, and follow me for more videos like this. Thanks so much for watching. Remain humble and stay safe. Bye.